I'm Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's I'll try to talk about the haptic feedback and the vibration intensity test on the Realme X7 Max device. As you can see friends, so I'll try to demonstrate you while typing the keyboard and while gaming as well, all those details. I'll try to talk, is there any 4D vibrations in this phone present or not. I'll try to answer all your questions, and is the exact model what I'm trying to use. As you can see friends, clearly Realme X7 Max. And this is a question which I got just now on the Realme X7 Max. So try to do the haptic feedback test on this phone particularly, as you can see friends. So let me need to show you what are the details you need to know about the haptic feedback. So first let's see what options you got exactly. So try to go to the sound and vibrations. So in the sound and vibrations, if you scroll down, no need to even scroll down, on the top second option, which is the option which is called the weak, which is available for the ringing, but we don't need the ringing right now. Let's see the vibration on the touch. As you can see, so this option which is called the vibration weak, medium and touch as well. Ring, weak, medium and strong. As you can see friends, these are the three different options you got right now. So let me try to demonstrate you one by one. So by keeping the mic near the phone, you will be able to experience the vibration intensity. So right now let me try to change the volume to the vibration to the medium. As you can see friends, this is how it looks, and let me try to use the keyboard and show you exactly what type of intensity you will be getting while keyboard. So this is the sound, how it looks, how you can hear on the vibration. And now let me try to open the clock alarm application and try to set the alarm. So maybe now you will be able to hear much of the vibrations. So let me try to do again. This is another test which I'm trying to do using the fidget spinner game. So even using this kind of game, you will be able to experience the vibrations, how much you are trying to get right now. So alright friends, in terms of the vibrations, it's kind of same like the Realme X7 Pro only, but nothing much change it has got. But let's check, is there any 4D vibration option while gaming particularly. That is what I'll try to see. So let me try to open the games page which is available right now in this phone. It is a game space, and let me try to go to the settings and let's see 4D vibrations option. Is there any options? I don't think here. Maybe in this option we can find. Yes, there's a 4D vibration option. Now let's see which games actually supports the 4D vibration. So right now the PUBG game is supported with the 4D vibration. You can actually feel. So when if you try to click on try now, you can actually feel the vibrations coming. So now let me try to turn on the PUBG game gameplay. Let's see whether you can actually get the same kind of experience while gaming PUBG or not. Because I'm not getting any kind of experience while gaming the PUBG game friends. That's really disappointing for me. So right now I'm trying to start the match and show you exactly while I'm trying to fire. So you will be able to hear the vibration feedback or not. But definitely friends, I was unable to feel actually the vibrations by using this game as well, even the PUBG. Let me try to show you the swiping sideways. I think the 4D vibrations is also turned on at this point, as you can see clearly. 4D vibrations is also turned on clearly, as you can clearly see friends. So 4D vibrations is on completely. Let me try to slightly increase the volume, because in low volume you cannot get the vibration feedback at all. So there is no vibration and haptic feedback at all friends. So in case if you're having the Realme X7 Max device, so make sure to check that haptic feedback test. Try to do in your smartphone while playing the PUBG game, and make sure to download the PUBG game from my Telegram group. In case if you want to download the PUBG game APK, you can directly download from my Telegram group which is available. So thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to stay tuned for more videos. And I did not feel much difference in terms of the haptic feedback. Overall the review is quite normal. It's not something huge change you'll be expecting. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, see you. Stay safe. Bye.